Hello students, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. This is Karishma Srivastav, your SST teacher. Today I would like to explain Geography Lesson 1 Environment. Now, what is an environment? Environment includes everything living or non-living things like people, animal, plants and all other things. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides us water, air. It provides us air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. By this picture, I would like to explain components of environment. Let's see. There are two types of environment: natural environment and human environment. Natural environment, by the word itself it is clear, by which we get naturally, like living things, land, air, water. In living things we will see biosphere, land, lithosphere, air, atmosphere, water, hydrosphere. Now what is human made environment? Like industries, monuments, roads, bridges, parks, buildings, schools, etc., etc. And now what is human? Human, we see individual human, family, community, religion, educational, economic, political situation, etc., etc. That is all about components of environment. Now I explain what is biotic and what is abiotic. Biotic, the word itself it is clear, which is living organisms, example plants and animals. And what is abiotic? Abiotic is the world of non-living elements, example land. From the above conversation, you understand that the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organisms is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena, while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. Now I would like to explain what is natural environment. Land, water, air, plants, animals comprises the natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere from your previous class. Let us learn some more facts about these domains. Lithosphere, what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by the thin layer of soil. Lithosphere Lithosphere is the domain that provides us forests, grasslands for grazing land, for agriculture and human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. Just have a look of domains of environment. First, it is lithosphere, a hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Now I would like to explain what is hydrosphere. The domains of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It is comprises various sources of water and different type of water bodies. Hydrosphere में क्या आएगा? Rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is also an essential for all living organisms. It is essential for us also. What is atmosphere? The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of sun. It consisting of a number of gases, dust, water, vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. Now, what is biosphere? Plants and animal kingdoms together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of earth where land, water and air interacts with each other to support life. Lastly, I would like to say what is domains of the environment. Have a look. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Now, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem, it is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. That's it for today. Like a pond ecosystem, have a look of this picture. Now that's it for today. We will discuss it later. Thank you and have a nice day.